Hello, my name's Bob Willis and welcome to Winnie TV. And I have a special guest here from Gen3. Would you like to introduce yourself first of all?
Sure, yeah, I'm Andy Naisbitt, the CEO at Gen3, and pleasure to be here.
So, how successful has the show been for you so far?
Yeah, very good so far. We have been excited for this show for a little while. It's the first proper one since COVID kind of finished. And yeah, so far it's been as busy as we were expecting. So really happy with it so far.
And I understand you're introducing a new contamination testing system.
That's correct. Yeah, we're launching this week our brand new ionic contamination tester, focusing on it as a process control tool. It still has the capability to do the traditional or historical ROSE test, but with the changes in standards that have now occurred, we're looking far more as a process control tool. And yeah, we have developed some new software, new hardware for it. And yeah, we're really excited to launch it here this week.
Because one of the things I was going to ask you is, is there any specific new features in the software which either makes it easier for somebody to use, or does it give more data points?
Yeah. So one of the big things that we got from feedback when we spoke to our customers and distributors was added benefits for traceability. So of course, when you've got customers who are manufacturing multiple types of boards and you're testing them constantly, how do you sort of keep up with what's what and where that is? So we've developed some really nice software that enables you to have really nice traceability that automatically places saved files underneath a reference umbrella. And then we also have the capability to utilize barcode readers, so you can just scan a board from your test and it will upload the results straight into the software, and you can test against that nice and quickly as well.
So people can obviously download it as a data file and then send it to customers or whatever they want to do.
Yeah, they've got report functionality, and we're also working with a couple of third-party software developers to be able to export directly into analysis software functions that some of our customers utilize as well.
And what about all the work you've been doing on SIR testing and high voltage testing? How's that coming along?
Yeah, very busy. It's becoming more and more, and plenty more discussions this week all about it. Really, the drive of it is electric vehicles, but with high voltage SIR and CAF testing, we're heavily involved with lots of research projects on that, and providing equipment with the capability to do that. So, at the moment, we go up to 1250 volts, but we're working on developments. We've got customers in Asia who are doing 4000 volt testing. Which is pretty wild because it's not really heard of, certainly in the Western society.
Well, I know from my experience of working at MPL, so the interlocks and safety conscious part of the system was very important.
Yes. I don't think I need to say much more than that, but yes, indeed. And yeah, we're continuously developing the products around that, and yeah, it's driving requirements for what the customers are looking for.
So you're also known for working on other projects, perhaps smaller projects, perhaps bespoke projects. Is there anything new and interesting in that area?
Projects in what way?
Well, I mean, test equipment, specialist equipment for cleaning you used to do. I just didn't know if there was anything unique little things that you were doing.
Well, I mean, we're always part of lots of research projects when it comes to SIR and with ionic contamination areas. So, the changes in standards that have come about certainly with IPC and the removal of ROSE testing. We're part of quite a few different research projects, like with HD Pug and INEMI, that we're working on. So we're really at the coalface of technology certainly for SIR, and utilising ionic contamination testing alongside that as well.
So if there's something that perhaps is an opportunity for a new piece of test equipment, because again, you're known for innovation and always moving forward.
Well, we have some exciting developments that we're working on back at the factory that are moving on with SIR in different ways. So different types of testing utilising the SIR principle, and that's an area of focus that we're excited about coming up in the not so near future, we hope. But I can't say anything on it at the moment. But it's stuff we're certainly developing.
Well, so, that's good. That's good. And can I just take a moment just to thank you very much, because I know that you're making a donation to prostate cancer for my book. So I'd really like to thank you. Obviously, thank the other bigger person back in the office. I really appreciate the support. That's really nice.
It's the least we could do, yeah. And thank you for all that you do and have done for the industry over the years as well. And it's really nice for us to be able to give back a little bit for everything that you've done and with your book and all that.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much.